Click on the link below to get price. The MOONCOOL Electric Bike for adults is a remarkable blend of power, comfort, and versatility that caters to both seasoned cyclists and newcomers alike. With a 700W peak power motor, this e-bike ensures an exhilarating ride, making it possible to tackle challenging terrains with ease. Whether you are commuting in the city or exploring scenic trails, the bike's robust performance stands out. One of the bike's most commendable features is its 7-speed transmission system, allowing riders to easily switch gears according to their needs. This feature is particularly useful for navigating both flat and hilly landscapes, providing a customized riding experience. The step-through frame design also enhances accessibility, making it easy to mount and dismount, an essential aspect for those who may have mobility concerns. The battery life is impressive, offering a range of up to 50 miles on a single charge, depending on the terrain and rider's weight. This distance is substantial for most daily commutes or leisure rides. Additionally, the removable battery allows for convenient charging whether at home or the office. Comfort plays a significant role in the overall riding experience, and MOONCOOL does not disappoint. The ergonomic seat and adjustable handlebars ensure a comfortable posture, minimizing strain during long rides. Coupled with high-quality suspension forks, the bike absorbs shocks and bumps effectively, making every ride smooth and enjoyable. Aesthetically, the bike features a sleek design that appeals to a wide range of tastes. The inclusion of integrated front and rear lights enhances safety, especially during evening rides. However, a few minor downsides exist, such as the weight of the bike, which might be a consideration for some users when lifting or transporting it. Nevertheless, the trade-off for the sturdy build and powerful performance is generally worth it. Overall, the MOONCOOL Electric Bike offers exceptional value for its price. It combines efficiency, comfort, and style, making it an excellent choice for anyone looking to enhance their cycling experience.